for this video, I'm gonna show you on how to fix your camera settings and on how to connect or on how to activate your Boya microphone into your camera. So this microphone, I bought it online. So this is the descriptions, and it is working properly, but I wasn't able to use it for a long time because I don't know how to fix it. I just found out on how to fix my microphone to my DSLR camera. My camera is Nikon D5300. So first, I am gonna show you make sure that your DSLR camera is in manual. See? So it should be in manual. And then turn it on. Okay. After turning it on, you're gonna go to menu. See that? You have to go to this movie settings, okay? And then we go to wind noise reduction and turn it on. Should be on position, okay? And then go to the microphone. If it is in auto, like this, if it is in auto, you have to put it in manual. Okay? Manual sensitivity. So here in manual sensitivity, it's up to you if what volume you want to put. So I put 12. You can't see it on camera, but it is 12. Okay? Manual sensitivity, it is 12 here. And then press OK. Okay. So if I'm gonna connect now my mic. So as you can see, when I connected my mic, the wind noise reduction is not, you cannot operate the wind noise reduction anymore. So make sure that the microphone is in manual, as well as your camera should be in manual. So I'm gonna test my mic if it is working properly. Okay. So now let's try to record. So as you can see here on the left side, the mic is properly working because it's now on top. So while I'm speaking, it's going up, so it means it's working properly. So that's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that it helped you a lot to activate your microphone into your camera and enjoy vlogging if you're a vlogger. And that's all. I hope it helped you a lot to use your new Boya microphone to your DSLR camera.